Alright, we're going to do the initial inspection of Hive 2, but I will caveat, there's not much to this one because of my poor decisions. So first, I'm using these nitrile gloves because I heard that that was a good idea. And it's great because you can feel everything. You don't have big clunky gloves on. I didn't pay attention to a few things. One is the behavior of the bees. They start to get pretty agitated after just a few minutes. This frame looked pretty good actually. I mean, minus that big weird shape in the middle. The whole, it has a lot of capped honey. Yeah, right there. Okay, so that's pretty much it. They sting. They stung me right through the glove, and as you can tell from here, this isn't happy bees behavior, and it's highly possible that I crunched one of them. I don't know. I was standing in front of their door. I had just finished inspecting the hive next door, so I might have annoyed them then. But yeah, I had one sting me on each hand through the gloves, and that was the last time I used those. Yeah, so I came back because I obviously had to close up this hive. All I could find were welding gloves, but I did bring a smoker and made a pathetic attempt at doing that to them. Pretty much just wanted to close up the hive and run away and get back to them when I was a little more intelligent with my processes. Yep, they're pissed. They are not happy. These guys are trying to come in. Jesus. You guys want us to leave, right? Alright, we're gonna leave. See how far they follow me. Smoking myself instead. Alright. Oh, no, he's back. Let's go back out this way. It's relentless. She's relentless.
that worked for a while. Had to go get some emergency welding gloves because I didn't have any proper gloves. Yeah, some nice. Here's one on my right hand. That one's nice. She got me through the glove. And then one on my left wrist. Sure felt like more, but I haven't been stung in a while. So we'll have to inspect that other hive after I get better gloves. Because these you really can't do anything with. Rubber gloves are good. Nitrile gloves I thought were good. They weren't. They got through. Yeah, the next time I'll get rubber gloves and we'll check out the right hive.